Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we are talking about how to check battery health on iPhone. Why would you want to know how to check battery health on iPhone? Well, maybe it is your first time using iPhone and not sure how to check battery health on iPhone. So today I am going to show you how to check battery health on iPhone. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Checking battery health on iPhone is quite simple and easy to do, and the process is same for any iOS device. Let me show how you will check battery health on iPhone. First of all, open setting in your iPhone and now scroll down this page until we found battery and then click on it. Now in this new screen, click on battery health, and in this page it shows your iPhone battery health. I have recently changed my battery, that's why it shows 100% health. So there you go. If you were wondering how to check battery health on iPhone, that is the easiest way I know. If you know another way, please leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.